There is a prison that has no walls, no guards, and no locks. Yet millions of Africans are trapped inside it every single day. It is not poverty itself that keeps people poor. It is the thinking that comes with poverty. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what that thinking looks like and the 5 mindset shifts that will break you out of it forever. Welcome back to African Wealth Code, where we teach everyday Africans how to build real wealth from nothing. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos every Friday. The poverty mindset thinks about today. What can I eat? How do I pay this bill? How do I survive this week? And when survival is your daily reality, short-term thinking makes complete sense. But wealthy people think in decades. They make decisions today based on where they want to be in 10 years. They plant trees they may never sit under for their children and grandchildren. This is the foundation of generational wealth. Not just building something for yourself, but building something that outlives you. Every decision you make today is either building or destroying your family's future. Start thinking beyond yourself. Many Africans grew up hearing that money is the root of all evil, that rich people are corrupt, that wanting more makes you greedy. These beliefs were planted in us, sometimes by religion, sometimes by culture, sometimes by people who never built wealth themselves. And they are quietly destroying our financial futures. Money is not evil. Money is a tool. A hammer is not evil. It depends on what you build with it. Money in the hands of a good person builds schools, feeds families, creates jobs, and changes communities. You cannot attract what you secretly believe is evil. Heal your relationship with money and watch how differently it starts flowing towards you. In many African communities, there is a deeply destructive habit, pulling down anyone who rises, jealousy disguised as concern, competition disguised as community. Wealthy people think completely differently. They look at someone succeeding and ask, what can I learn from them? Can we work together? How does their success create an opportunity for me? Collaboration builds wealth. Competition drains it. The most successful businesses in the world are built on partnerships, networks, and people lifting each other. Find people who are building something and find a way to add value to what they're doing. That single shift can open doors that years of solo effort never could. The colonial mindset taught Africans to wait. Wait for the government, wait for the boss, wait for someone to give you an opportunity, wait to be chosen. That waiting is costing you everything. Nobody is coming to save you. No government program, no foreign investment, no lucky break is going to hand you the life you deserve. You have to decide that you are the author of your own story. Ownership means taking full responsibility for where you are and full responsibility for where you are going. No blame, no excuses, just decision and action. The moment you stop waiting for permission to build your life is the moment your life actually begins. In African homes, failure is often treated as shame. You tried and it did not work. And suddenly, you become a cautionary tale. People say, I told you so. And that shame drives people to never try again. But every wealthy person you admire has failed. Multiple times, publicly, painfully. The difference is they did not treat failure as a full stop. They treated it as a comma, a pause before continuing. Every failed business teaches you something a classroom never could. Every mistake contains information. Every setback is building resilience you cannot buy. Start asking, not did I fail, but what did I learn? That one question transforms failure from an ending into a stepping stone. 5 mindset shifts, none of them require money to implement. All of them are available to you right now today. Think generational. Heal your relationship with money. Collaborate instead of compete. Take full ownership of your life. And treat every failure as education. These are not motivational words. These are the actual mental foundations that separate people who build wealth from people who spend their whole lives wondering why they cannot. Share this with one person in your life who needs this mindset shift today. Subscribe to African Wealth Code for more every Friday. And remember, wealth is not luck, it is a code. And today you just learned another piece of it. See you next Friday. There is a